Hello everyone, I'm Sunali, your Thai driving instructor. A very warm welcome to my channel B-Körkort po Thailandska. This is a friendly and supportive channel specially created for Thai, English, and Swedish speakers who want to get their Swedish B driver's license. I'm so happy you're here. Whether you're just starting out or already preparing for the Swedish B driver's license test, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's learn together and make your Swedish driving license dream come true. Come along with me! Let's go through the steps together. First step, we're heading to the optical shop. We need to get an eye test to apply for the B-Körkort till Stone. It's for practice driving learner's permit. At the optical shop, it's a good idea to book an appointment in advance. I've already booked one. Welcome! You must be Sunali, the Thai driving instructor. You have made an appointment for an eye test, right? Yes, that's correct. I need an eye test for my Swedish learner's permit application. The eye test doesn't take long at all. Once we're done, the optical staff will send the results directly to the Swedish Transport Agency for you, or in Swedish, call Transportstyrelsen. Perfect! The eye test results have been sent successfully!
After finishing the eye test, the next step is to register and apply for your learner's permit with Transportstyrelsen, and it will link your eye test results with your personal number automatically.
You can do this easily online, either on your phone or computer. Just go to the Transportstyrelsen website and search for B-Körkort till Stone. After you submit the application, it usually takes about 3 to 7 working days to receive approval. So now, we just wait at home patiently. Great news, everyone! I just received the email from Transportstyrelsen. My learner's permit has been approved. I'm so happy! I have questions. But what happens to you both as both a trainer and a trainee if you practice driving without permit?
พี่เกรงใจบ้านเขา
ช้าๆเดี๋ยวชน เฮ้ย
พังแล้วพี่
ไม่เป็นไร ไปต่อ
Driving or practicing on public roads without a valid learner's permit is illegal. It can lead to fines and complications with your license. Private practice is only allowed in closed-off areas. It's not okay to do.
That's why it's so much better to do everything properly and legally. All right, once you have your learner's permit, you can contact a driving school, speak with experienced instructors, and start your proper training.
Welcome, everyone. We are happy to assist you every step of the way to get a Swedish driver's license.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching until the end. I really appreciate it. Remember, if you have patience, effort, and determination, your Swedish driving license is much closer than you think. Wishing you all a wonderful and fantastic day ahead. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.